The Ohio Star Quilt pattern, a classic design that has captivated quilters for generations. With its sharp angles and swooping curves, this pattern creates a sense of vibrant motion that can breathe life into any quilt. The Ohio Star is made up of 4 square triangles radiating out from a central square, forming a striking star shape. This traditional pattern is perfect for beginner quilters due to its straightforward construction and versatility. Let's explore some of the most exciting free Ohio Star quilt patterns available. First up is the Random Ohio Stars pattern. This modern take on the classic design allows quilters to break free from symmetry, placing star blocks wherever they please. The result is an abstract beauty that shines with elegance, especially when created in a neutral color palette with pops of blue. For those who prefer larger blocks, the Large Ohio Star Quilt Block by Create with Claudia is an excellent choice. This 18.5-inch block features a simple 9-patch design that creates the illusion of folded ribbons. The vibrant hues and sunflower prints make this pattern a true showstopper. If you're looking for a full-sized quilt pattern, consider the 7-fat-quarter Ohio Star from So Can She. This efficient design uses just 7 fat quarters to create a cozy 71 by 86-inch twin-size quilt. With 20 traditional Ohio Star blocks, it's perfect for gifting or snuggling on the couch. When working with Ohio Star patterns, remember to pay close attention to your cutting and piecing for precise points. Using a variety of fabrics in different values can help create depth and visual interest in your quilt. Don't be afraid to experiment with color combinations to make the pattern your own. The Ohio Star quilt pattern offers endless possibilities for creativity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced quilter, this timeless design allows you to create a unique masterpiece that combines tradition with your personal artistic touch. Why not start your own Ohio Star quilt today and see where your creativity takes you? Want more Ohio Star quilt patterns to guide your quilting journey? Discover a constellation of inspiring designs at ilovequiltingforever.com.